Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tutor. In this video, we are going to continue solving the UGC NET June 2025 Paper 1 questions. In my previous video, I already covered the first 14 questions with answers. Now, in this session, we will cover the remaining questions from Paper 1, excluding data interpretation and passage-based questions. If you are preparing for UGC NET, SET, or any competitive exams, this video will boost your confidence and help you score better. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Tech Tutor. Let's get started. Question 1. Which international organization coordinates the Education for All program? Options: UNDP, UNESCO, IMF, UNEP. Correct answer is option 2. UNESCO focuses on education, science and culture. It leads global education programs like Education for All, UNDP, development, IMF, finance, UNEP, environment. Easy trick, education to UNESCO. So, answer is UNESCO. Let's move to the next question. Question 2. In ancient period, Diksha Guru performed his duty as 1. Guru of secular subjects, 2. Spiritual guide for both girls and boys, 3. Spiritual guide of boys for tutor. Correct answer is option 3. Spiritual guide of boys. Diksha means spiritual initiation. Diksha Guru gives religious and moral guidance. Easy trick, Diksha equals spiritual teaching. So, answer is spiritual guide of boys. Ancient system is mostly male-focused education. Let's move to the next question. Question 3. Find the missing number 7, 12, 32, 122, question mark, 3602, 25,202. Options: 602, 610, 702, 622. Correct answer is option 1, 602. Pattern: multiply by increasing numbers and subtract even numbers. Next question. Question 4. Arrange in increasing order: social science, political science, sciences, international politics. Correct answer D, B, A, C from specific to general international politics, political science, social science to sciences. Next question. Question 5. What is explanatory research? Options given. Correct answer is option 3. It explains why something happens. Trick: exploratory arrow find, descriptive arrow describe, explanatory arrow explain why checkmark. So, answer is option 3. Right pointing index. Next question target. Question 5. What is explanatory research? Options given. Correct answer is option 3. It explains why something happens. Trick: exploratory, find descriptive, describe explanatory arrow, explain why checkmark. So, answer is option 3. Next question. Question 5. What is explanatory research? Options given. Correct answer is option 3. It explains why something happens. Trick: exploratory, find descriptive, describe explanatory arrow, explain why checkmark. So, answer is option 3. It explains the causes of social phenomena. Target. Question 6. Match OS with tasks: Unix, MS-DOS, Android utility programs. Correct answer is option 3. Unix, multi-user MS-DOS, single-user Android, mobile utility, maintenance. Trick: Unix equals many users, DOS equals one user. So, answer is option 3. Let's continue to next questions. Next question. Question 7. Communication model. Match the following: who says what, channel to whom. Correct answer is option 3. Who tends to communicator, says what tends to, message channel tends to, medium to whom tends to. Receiver answer is option 3. Next question. Question 8. Why is CO2 more in northern hemisphere? Statements given. Correct answer is option 3. A, B, C more land, more human activity, more fossil fuel burning. Southern hemisphere leads to more oceans. Temperature is not the main reason. Answer is option 3. Next question. Question 9. CBCS promotes what? Options given. Styon 9. CBCS promotes what? Options given. Correct answer is option 2. Flexibility. Students can choose subjects credit-based learning. Trick: choice-based means flexibility. Answer is option 2. Next question. Question 10. Which statements contradict each other? A. All ducks are birds. B. Some ducks are birds. C. Some ducks are not birds. D. No ducks are birds. Correct answer is option 1. A and D. All ducks are birds. No ducks are birds. These cannot be true together. Trick: all versus no equals contradiction. Answer is option 1. Let's move to next questions. Question 11. IEEE 8. O2.3 refers to what? Options: LAN, MAN, WAN, PAN. Correct answer is option 1, LAN IEEE8. O2.3 equals Ethernet, used in local area network. Answer is LAN. Next question. Question 12. Second generation computers used? Options: vacuum tubes, transistors, IC, VLSI. Correct answer is option 2, transistors. Trick. First, vacuum tubes. Second, transistors. Third arrow. IC check mark. Answer is transistors, pointing right. Next question target. Question 13. What is exploratory research? Options given. Check mark. Correct answer is option 2, used when very little information is available. Trick. Exploratory equals explore new topic. Answer is option 2. Next question. Question 14. Coding question. Hello. Correct answer is option 1. Convert letters to numbers. Reverse the sequence. Answer is option 1. Let's continue next questions. Question 15. Correct sequence of surface water treatment: screening, sedimentation, filtration, disinfection. Correct answer is option 4, DBCA. Correct order: screening to sedimentation to filtration to disinfection. Trick. Big particles to settle to filter to kill germs. Answer is option 4. Next question. Question 16. This is the richest fraternity on the campus. Therefore, Mr. X, a member of this fraternity, must be one of the richest. Correct answer is option 1, fallacy of division. Error. What is true for a group is assumed true for an individual. Just because the group is rich, it doesn't mean every member is rich. Trick. Group to individual equals division fallacy. Answer is fallacy of division. Next question. Question 17. Question 17. Who directed the first talkie feature film made in India? Options: 1. Ardeshir Irani, 2. Ritwik Ghatak, 3. Dada Saheb Phalke, 4. Bimal Roy. Correct answer is option 1, Ardeshir Irani. First talkie film in India equals Alam Ara, 1931. Directed by Ardeshir Irani. Answer is Ardeshir Irani. Next question. Question 18. Correct chronological order of Doordarshan programs. A. Mahabharata, B. Chandrakanta, C. Humlog, D. Ramayana, E. Bunyad. Correct answer is option 2, CEDAB order, earliest to latest. Humlog to Bunyad to Ramayana to Mahabharata to Chandrakanta. Answer is option 2. Next question. Question 19. Differences between modified Mercalli scale MMS and Richter scale RS. Correct answer is option 4. A and CRS measures energy released, magnitude. MMS measures intensity plus damage, effects on people and structures. RS value is constant for an earthquake. MMS value changes based on location/distance. RS is not linear, so B is wrong. D is incorrect. Answer is option 4. Next question.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like,